Hello everyone, welcome to Manika IES. So this is your weekly session of places in news and this is your week 4 and I hope आप सबकी preparation बहुत अच्छे से जा रही है and all of you are जो 27 के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं are preparing for mains because this is the most crucial time for you to prepare for your mains. Then later on by the end of this year धीरे धीरे momentum prelims की तरफ shift होगा as and when the prelims will come closer. So right now is the best time. So all the best for your preparation. And with that, make sure आप अपना current affair cover कर रहे हो साथ साथ through your newspaper readings or any which format that you like. That will help you in reducing your baggage of current affairs. Plus, make you more in sync with the preparation direction. All right. So with that, let's start with today's session. So these are our 4 topics for today. One is your Seychelles, then your Venezuela, Silhet Hills, and Tugbanza River. So we'll be discussing about details, the context, and followed by the geographical location. Okay, so let's move forward. The very first topic is your Seychelles. Now, why it is in news? Because India and Seychelles, they have expanded their strategic partnership by Ocean of Opportunity Initiative. अब ये क्या है? That will be discussing in international relations in detail, but the basic agenda is it will be focusing on your maritime security, digital connectivity, and blue economy. Details will be discussing in higher session, but right now for you to know the context is important that why a particular topic is in news. That will help you in identification कि कौन से topic का कितना relevance है. All right. So now let's come to the geographical aspect, the mapping part of it. ठीक है. So basically it is a unique archipelago, and for those जिनको नहीं पता what are archipelagos are generally are a group of islands that make a country and they are surrounded by sea. ठीक है. This is what is known as archipelago. ठीक है. जैसे your Japan, ठीक है, then Seychelles, Maldives, they are archipelagos. So छोटे छोटे islands हैं that together makes a country. ठीक है. So where is it located? It is located in your Western Indian Ocean. If you see, it is near to your African continent. ठीक है. North of Madagascar. Here you have Seychelles. These islands, these very small tiny islands are your Seychelles Island. ठीक है. So this, the very first thing is their location. Let's see the uniqueness. What is the uniqueness? Why do we need, what do we need to know when it comes to the uniqueness of these? So these are the only island जो granitic islands है. ठीक है. Granitic मतलब we all know India का जो shield जो when the plate tectonic movement happened, Gondwana land और ये सब they started moving northwards. Now in that few segments of the Indian land जहाँ पे अभी right now the plate, Indian plate, they fall, ठीक है, in the oceans, and that is what has made these inner granitic islands. ठीक है. So that is what you refer to as granitic island, and another group is coralline island. Coralline मतलब those who are made up of corals. ठीक है. Coral reef. तो coral reef से बने हुए islands are coralline and the other one are granitic. So if you see, these are your inner islands जो northwards हैं, and these are your granitic islands, and these are your outer group, and these are coralline. And why it is important? Because they are the only, it's the world only ocean island जो granitic island से composed है. ठीक है. So that is the important thing. Another thing is they are lush green and more solid. इनका base होता है. ठीक है. This is one thing. The base of the outer islands are slightly, it's not that hard, it's slightly softer side because वो coral reef से बने हैं. ठीक है. So this is what you need to remember with respect to this, that जो there are 2 group of islands, one are inner island, another are outer islands. Here are granitic, and here is your location of capital. ठीक है. and then outer one are your coralline. ठीक है, this is what is important with respect to Seychelles. The capital city is Victoria. ठीक है, now let's move to the next topic which is your Venezuela. Why Venezuela is in news? हम सब ने न्यूज़ में देखा है ना कि वेनेजुएला के अंदर अर्थक्वेक आए थे एंड विच हैज लेड टू मैसिव डिस्ट्रक्शन, मैसिव लॉस ऑफ लाइफ, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई मैग्नीट्यूड के अर्थक्वेक्स थे. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिकनेस ऑफ दोज अर्थक्वेक? द सी इट्स वेरी सैड पार्ट टू सी दैट, बट द थिंग इज कि they were not just one earthquake, there were two earthquakes of a magnitude of around 7.2 and 7.4. ठीक है, there were two, one, two, and the gap between these two was of 39 seconds. Less than a minute के अंदर there were two proper earthquake, and this was not the aftershock. All right, it was not the aftershock. It was the real earthquake जिसके aftershocks तो बाद में आए होंगे. ठीक है, so 39 second के gap पे there were two earthquake that hit Venezuela with a magnitude of 7.2 and 7.4. So that is why Venezuela was in news. And another thing is India has also started an operation to help Venezuela. So we'll discuss that as well. So if you see, this is Venezuela. Okay? Here, these were the two locations. One is your Yumare, another is Yarakwe. ठीक है, अब इतने क्लोज गैप के ऊपर इतने कम टाइम के अंदर व्हेन देयर आर टू अर्थक्वेक, इट हैज टू बी वेरी डिवास्टेटिंग अर्थक्वेक्स. ठीक है, this is a classic case study of your disaster management also that UPSC can also ask. But what you need to remember is, uh, with respect to exam point of view, location you should know. At the same time, you should know the geography of these earthquakes. ठीक है, तो if you see Caracas के west में there were two, so you need to know the names of these states जहाँ पे ये आया था. Now why it happened? It happened because when you see the plates, tectonic plates कैसे हैं? If you see the tectonic plates, this is how the tectonic plates of Venezuela are. तो यहाँ पे you have, this is your South American plate, ठीक है, this one, and then you have Caribbean plate. तो it is lying on the juncture of two plates, ठीक है, and there जो अर्थक्वेक आए दे केम बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्री जो यहाँ पे बन रही है. ठीक है, उनकी मूवमेंट, इट दिस वाज द मूवमेंट, इट वाज नॉट कन्वर्जेंट डाइवर्जेंट मूवमेंट्स अर्थक्वेक नहीं आए थे, बट स्लिट मूवमेंट से आए थे. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाई देयर वर मेजर devastation that happened. Now if you see, there was Caribbean plate and South American plate, and the is mainly strike slip faulting. ठीक है, because they moved horizontally. Your plates move horizontally past each other, and that is why a lot of uh, dis- after effects that we see, a lot of life also got lost. So this is the reason behind the earthquake. And why, what was another unique aspect of these earthquake कि इतना ज़्यादा फिर भी क्यों impact हुआ? Because एक तो double nature है, ठीक है, there were more factors to it. Double nature as a very close interval, दो earthquake आए बहुत close interval पे आए 39 seconds in very proximity area के अंदर. Then there was the earthquake was because of horizontal movements of two plates, Caribbean plates and South American plate, उन दोनों की horizontal movement की वजह से. And then the depth was also shallow. ठीक है, and at the same time इतना ज़्यादा destruction क्यों हुआ? Because the area जहाँ पे earthquake आए थे was in densely urban populated area. That is also why damage was very high. ठीक है, and the architecture was also vulnerable, ठीक है, and had less disaster capacity. ठीक है, so if you see the location of Venezuela, अगर हम उसके bordering countries की बात करें, what are the bordering countries? सबसे पहले it is not a landlocked, it is not a landlocked country. So on north you have Caribbean Sea, here you have Pacific Sea, and here you have Atlantic Sea. ठीक है, but where is it opening? Caribbean Sea और Atlantic Ocean के अंदर. ठीक है, what are the border countries कौन से हैं? So you have Colombia, then you have Brazil, Guyana, and these three, Colombia, Brazil and Guyana. On the north you have Caribbean Sea. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन। पेपर के अंदर भी अगर आपसे पूछता है तो आपको याद होना चाहिए कि द सीबीजी, ठीक है, कोलंबिया, ब्राजील एंड गुआना, ठीक है। These three countries are the bordering countries and the capital city is Caracas. Now we if we go in depth of the geography of Venezuela, वैसे हमने कवर करी है लास्ट प्रीलिम से पहले वेनेजुएला की जो हमने डिस्कशन ली थी उसके अंदर, when Donald Trump went and captured the president of वेनेजुएला, तब हमने डिस्कस की थी, बट लेट अस अगेन डिस्कस, लेट्स सी द फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पार्ट ऑफ वेनेजुएला, ठीक है। सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज सबसे ज्यादा ऑयल रिफाइनरीज कहाँ पे हैं, यहाँ पे हैं, ठीक है, प्रूवन ऑयल रिजर्व्स, सो दे आर माराकीबो लोलैंड्स, ठीक है। अनदर थिंग, हियर यू हैव एंडीज एंड कोस्टल रेंज, एंड दिस इज द ओनली प्लेस जहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक आया है, सो यू रिमेंबर दैट ऑल्सो। देन the world highest angel falls are also located. The major river is your Orinoco River, and it is known for the basin is known for a lot of gold and minerals availability. Okay, and the central plains are savanna grassland, llanos hai wahan pe, so this is also important. And then here on the eastern side you have Guinea highlands. So this is the geography, and it is a very vast geographical diversity है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। So on one side you have oil reserves, on and then on the north you have mountain regions, then you have a river which is a major river, you have the world highest waterfall, at the same time you are having grasslands as well, at the same time gold and mineral reserves are also there, and then you have Guinea highlands as well. So this is what you need to remember, and this is a region which is Essequibo region which is a disputed region with Guyana, ठीक है। सो अगर आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि एस्किबो रीजन किस दो कंट्रीज के बीच में डिस्प्यूटेड है, इट इज डिस्प्यूटेड बिटवीन वेनेजुएला एंड गुआना, दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेनेजुएला, ठीक है। Now the next is your Silhet Hills. So why Silhet Hills in news? सबसे पहले तो ये है कहाँ पे? These are located in Bangladesh. And why this is in news? Because Bangladesh has decided कि वो Indian Big Cat Alliance को join कर रहा है. So this is also a topic जो हम अपने कल के environment के section में discuss करेंगे about India's Big Cat Alliance. तो वो भी आप देखना because it's very important for your prelims. And then why these places? Because it says this Silhet Hills are very important for the conservation of the felines, that means the big cats, okay, along with the Sundarbans, okay. These two are very important. So if you see the location is here you have Silhet Hills, all right, on the eastern part, and it's just a sec. So here you have Silhet and here you have Sundarbans. These are Indian and these are Bangladesh. Okay. So this is what you need to remember. Now, what is the significant geographical features of Silhet Hills? That they are rolling hills. Rolling matlab they're small hills and that are like this way format. Just a sec. Just a minute. Rolling hills कैसे होता है कि imagine छोटे छोटे hills हैं and they are located as close at a close proximity like this. ठीक है, so that this is the characteristic of the Silhet Hills, and climate is for heavy rainfall is there, and which is a prime location for tea plantation के लिए it is important. Another thing is कि it's a key eco zone in the region, that is why we are saying felines के लिए it is an important region, that is why it was in news. All right, now the next topic is Tungabhadra River. Tungabhadra was in news because of some interstate dispute that is there between with respect to Krishna River. ठीक है. So let's first understand कि Tungabhadra का origin क्या है, कैसे it travels and how it can be asked in prelims. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली बनती दो रिवर से है, वन इज योर तुंगा, अनदर इज योर भद्रा, दोनों का मिला के, सो इट इज ओरिजिनेटिंग इन विच प्लेस, कर्नाटका, ठीक है, कर्नाटका से, एंड देन इट टर्न आउट टू बिकम तुंगा भद्रा, भद्रा रिजर्वॉयर से मिलके भद्रा चला है, एंड यहाँ पे तुंगा है, एंड देयर यू हैव तुंगा भद्रा रिजर्वॉयर, ठीक है. It get on to merge with Krishna river, and finally the Krishna river falls in your Bay of Bengal. Now another important point is that it is a right bank tributary. All right, ठीक है. So Tunga flows through steep and fast channels. The channels are steep and fast. Bhadra through wider and gentle valleys. ठीक है. And they both originate on eastern slopes of Western Ghats. ठीक है. So these here are your Western Ghats. उसके eastern slopes के ऊपर से they are forming. ठीक है. Merging point कहाँ पे है? They meet this. The merging point of this is place called Kudli near Shivamonga in Karnataka, as we have discussed. ठीक है. Now it flows in northeast direction. Northeast में move किया, and then it is a right bank tributary of Krishna river, and it meets Krishna river at Sangameshwara. ठीक है. संगमेश्वरा को में ज्वाइन करती है आंध्र प्रदेश के अंदर कृष्णा रिवर को, एंड इट इज अ पेरिनियल राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी. ठीक है. So this is important aspect that you have to remember. So what we have learned, Tungabhadra is made up of two basically branches. One is Tunga, another is Bhadra. Both of them are originating from eastern slope of Western Ghats. Then they went on to form Tungabhadra at a point called Kudli, ठीक है, in Andhra Pradesh, in Karnataka, and then it travels towards north and eastern direction, and it finally meets Krishna river at Sangameshwara in Andhra Pradesh, and then the Krishna river went on to fall into Bay of Bengal. So this is the journey of Tungabhadra, and it is a right bank tributary of the Krishna river, and it is a perennial tributary. ठीक है. So this is what you have to remember with respect to your Tungabhadra river. ठीक है. Now another important thing is कि जो तुंगाभद्रा रिजर्वॉयर है, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पंपा सागर. ठीक है. इट इज लोकेटेड इन हॉस्पेट इन विजयनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका, एंड दिस reservoir is a largest multi-purpose dam in Karnataka. ठीक है. And that is why there is a water dispute with respect to the water of this particular dam between Karnataka and Andhra. ठीक है. So the river is the dam is a joint project between state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and it provide hydroelectric power and irrigation, and it also provide water to drought prone areas. ठीक है. So this was with respect to what are the places in news. Now how UPSC can ask you questions on this. See, UPSC कैसे पूछेगी इसके अंदर question? सबसे पहले तो they can ask direct question with respect to कि ये तुंगाभद्रा ब्रांच किसकी है, कौन सी रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरी है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट बैंक है कि लेफ्ट बैंक है. दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कि जैसे अगर पंपा तुंगाभद्रा रिजर्वॉयर दे दिया तो इट इज वेरी क्लियरली नोन कि किस रिवर के ऊपर है, देन बट दे विल आस्क यू विद द नेम ऑफ पंपा सागर रिजर्वॉयर. ठीक है. कि वो कौन सी रिवर के ऊपर है. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर प्रीलिम्स point of view. ठीक है. Now I want you all to watch this, keep this thing in mind, and if you have any questions, any doubt, you can please reach out to us. You can get the PDF or the PPTs either from the website is ठीक है. Either you can get from the value added section under resources. I will ask the team to put a link also. From there you can also get, and at the same time you can also get it from Telegram. ठीक है, the Telegram handle name is UPSC preparation with Manika IAS. ठीक है, आप कहीं से भी पीपीटी पीडीएफ इसके लिए डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, एंड इसके बाद इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू मे प्लीज रीच आउट टू अस. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.